Oh, it happened again. So this one broke today, and we gotta change it again. But the good thing is I have the spare here, so let's do an unboxing real quick. And inside, it's a protective lens replacement for the GoPro, and you open it. That's it. Boom. So this will go in here. That's what's going to happen now. Let's do this. First you need to take it out. We got tools. So okay, and now you pull it out. Twist and pull. So that's a broken one. You see that? That's a GoPro. Ooh. Goes like this. Press and twist. Press and twist. Okay, that's it. Back in service.